Good day everyone. My name is Randeli Figaro. I am the reporter of group number 4. So, my assigned topic is all about Bronner's constructivist theory. So, Jerome Bronner theory. What is Jerome Bronner theory? He was the American psychologist who made significant contribution to human cognitive psychology. He was born on October 1, 1950 and died on June 5, 2060. And he believed na active learners ang mga bata, and he also believed spiral curriculum, kay for him sim sa spiral patuyok-tuyok lang jud ang tanan. Mura na siya cycle kay ang goal man ni Bronner kay mastery. He researched on children's cognitive development, proposed three modes of representation. Bronner suggested the ability to represent knowledge develops in three stages. So, mo ni ang main concept ni Jerome Bronner. First is inactive representation. Second is iconic representation. And last is symbolic representation. So, mo ni ang three modes of representation, the main concept of Jerome Bronner theory. So, first is inactive representation. At the earliest ages, children learn about the world through action on physical object. In the outcomes of this action, children represent object in terms of their immediate sensation of them. They are represented in the muscles and involve motor responses or ways to manipulate the environment. Riding a bicycle and trying a nut, tasting the apple. So, example sa inactive representation, based on action. Inactive is learned through movement or action, and it happens when the baby is 0 to 1 years old. Ang baby, so sa age na 0 to 1 years old, makabalo jud ta through movements like example, tong bata pa ta, di ba, lihok ra ato nahibaw-an na mahibaw-an manipa or ilihok ato akamot og uban pa etc. The second is iconic representation. This second stage is when learning can be obtained through using models or in pictures. The learner can now use mental images to stand for certain objects or events. Iconic representation allows one to recognize objects when they are changes in minor ways, mountains with and way without snow in the top. So, example sa iconic representation, based on image, based sa picture. This is the ability to store in the mental picture in the mind's eye. When learning a new topic, it can be helpful to use picture or diagram to support verbal or explanations. It happens when the baby is 1 to 6 years old. So, sa mode 9 ani na stage na ang baby ani is dili pa kataas ang utok para makap up or makabalo sa mga instruction. So, dapat na ay pictures para mas retain sa una-una sa bata or kana ang guide nila to learn something, dali ra sila catch up ba. So, lastly is symbolic representation. In this third stage, the learner has developed ability to think in abstract terms. To encode knowledge, the most common symbol systems are language and mathematical notation. So, symbolic representation based on language, So, symbolic is learned through abstract symbols. It happens between 7 years old above. This learning mode is sophisticating mode, and it is the last to develop, and it is more flexible than the previous two. Kumbaga kini na mga bata nga nasa age 7 years above is makabalo na sila sa mga instructions without movements, pictures, and diagrams. So, meaning dali ra sila makagets or maka-catch up, dali sila makasabot ba. So, mo dito ang 3 modes representation kay Jerome Bronner theory. So, that's all. Thank you.